Hey, I just wanted to share with you what is exactly inside this workshop. There are 3 pillars. Let me explain. But before that, what can you expect? First thing, as the title says, really connecting, unleashing your self-worth. But what does it mean? Which means literally you start believing in yourself intensively. And when you start believing in yourself, everything changes. Your love life changes, your professional life, everything. The decisions you are living on fear, for example, shall I not, doubts, you push through them, you break them. Number 2 benefit is that one part of it will be connecting deep into our subconscious thoughts through a very deep process. Some of you have tried it already. And see what is heavy in our heart and what we are numbing, all those emotions which we are pushing away by avoidance mechanisms like drinking, binge watching, overworking is an avoidance mechanism as well. High achievers, you would have this pattern for sure. So to create an antidote for that, which is instead of numbing and pushing away those emotions, those anxieties and stresses, but working through them, releasing them. That's the second pillar, and that's the benefit, that you create an antidote for those stress and anxiety which you usually push away and sometimes even unaware of. Number 3 is, let's understand, if we keep doing the same thing, we can't expect a different result, can we? No. So this is something which is going to hugely go deep in your subconscious thought processes. Use some of the things which you have done in the past, using them, connecting them emotionally, embodying them in your nervous system, and really huge dose of confidence. Your self-esteem really goes high up, and this is based on feedbacks I'm receiving. And I used to be someone who used to doubt extremely himself. And that's why this is very close to my heart. That's why I'm inviting you. And once you start believing in yourself and connecting to the things, evidence-based things you have done in the past, now you see what is possible. You open yourself up for possibilities, doing things beyond your own imagination. So this is what this whole workshop about is, really believing in yourself, using evidence-based situations, connecting to the emotions, and also detoxing all those heavy emotions, stuck energy which are holding you back, creating that doubt, making you feel so small about yourself. And exactly this is how I used to feel, and that's why I'm so passionate. And I've seen so many entrepreneurs writing to me that they launched something after my workshop. They started believing in themselves so much. So take care. Let me know if you have any questions, and I would be happy to send you more feedbacks or anything you need. Take care. Bye bye then.